my friends, welcome to my new video where I will explain opportunities of obtaining a work visa for Italy. Don't miss out on this video because the sooner you apply, the higher your chances of obtaining your work visa for Italy will be. So whether you are dreaming of sipping espresso in charming Roman cafe or strolling through the narrow streets of Venice, working in Italy can be an amazing experience. In this video, I will guide you through the essential steps, requirements and tips for securing a work visa in Italy, empowering you to embark on your Italian adventure with confidence. So grab your favorite Italian snack and let's embark on the exciting journey together. Types of work visas. Non-EU citizens willing to work in Italy must apply for a work visa and once in Italy convert the visa in residence permit for work purposes. You can download the national visa application form on the link I mentioned below the video. Now let's discuss different types of visas allowing you to start legally working in Italy. Visa per lavoro subordinato. Salaried employment visa. Visa per lavoro subordinato is for working full-time for one single employer. You will need to have a job with a set number of 40 hours per week in order to obtain this visa. This type of visa is sponsored by your employer and lasts for up to 2 years. It's renewable for up to 5 years. Visa per lavoro stagionale. Long-term seasonal work visa. This visa is designed for individuals who plan to work temporarily or seasonally in Italy. It's common for industries like agriculture, tourism and others that experience fluctuation in demands through the year. Since the work is temporary in nature, the visa is typically valid for the duration of the seasonal employment for up to 9 months. Visa per lavoro autonomo. Visa per lavoro autonomo is for independent work or for people who may work for several companies or clients like freelancers, consultants, professionals, offering services, or if you want to open a business. Remember, for work visas in Italy you will first need to get a place in the Flusso, or annual quota. Flusso is the fixed number of work permits that the Italian government makes available to foreigners. The number is different according to visa type and nationality, and the numbers change from year to year. I explained in detail all the process regarding obtaining work permit in my previous video, so if you didn't check it yet, do it just after watching this video to have full knowledge about the process of obtaining work permit and work visa in Italy. Apply for work visa. There are 3 steps of obtaining a work permit and start working legally in Italy. First, your employer must be granted a nulla osta for you. You need to then collect an entry visa from your local embassy, and as the last step you need to apply for a residency on the territory of Italy. Let's start from the beginning. In order to obtain a work visa, you must have already secured a job in Italy. Your employer must submit your work contract and the separate document called resident contract, in Italian, signed by you. This document outlines your housing agreement and states that the company will cover your returning home costs should you be expelled from Italy. Once the application is successful, your employer will be given your authorization to work called nulla osta. The consulate or the embassy is informed that your authorization to work nulla osta has been granted and will issue a visa which you will have 6 months to collect and use to enter the country. This period of time is calculated starting from the date on which the authorization to work is released. Authorization to work nulla osta is necessary to obtain the entry visa. Full list of diplomatic missions of Italy in other countries you can check on the dedicated website. Italy work visa requirements. You will need the following documents to apply for an Italian work visa. Application form for the Italian long stay visa. Proof of visa fee payment. a copy of your signed employment contract, the original and the copy of your nulla osta, valid passport and copies, 2 recent passport photos, proof of accommodation in Italy, proof of sufficient finance, copy of flight itinerary, proof of health and travel insurance which covers Italy, other supporting documents such as diplomas and education certificates. Work visa processing time. A work visa for Italy is typically processed within 2 up to 30 days. Once your visa is approved, you will be notified by your local embassy and then you will have 6 months to collect it. Cost of work visa. As a general rule, visas to enter the Italian territory, excluding uniform Schengen visa, cost 116 euros. As for residence permits, their cost is 40 euros for stays between 3 up to 12 months, 50 euros for stays between 12 months up to 24 months, and 100 euros for long-term residence permit, highly qualified workers, and intra-corporate transfers. Appeal of work visa refusal. If you have been denied a Schengen visa or a national visa to Italy, whose application was not made for family reasons, you can appeal through a specialized lawyer to the Lazio Regional Administrative Tribunal within 60 days from the date of notification of the denial. On the other hand, if you were denied a national visa for family reasons, you can appeal always through a lawyer without time limit to the ordinary court. Summary. All aspiring workers in Italy, please pay attention and don't overlook the crucial deadlines for applying for a work permit. Each year, the Italian government establishes a quota known as Decreto Flussi, determining the number of work permits it will issue based on the country's job market and immigration figures. Due to this quota system, timely submission of your Italy work visa application is imperative, as permits are granted on a first-come, first-served basis. I hope you found this video helpful, gaining a better understanding of job opportunities in Italy and the process of obtaining a work visa. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more opportunities in other European countries. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to leave a like and turn on the notification bell. Hope to see you next time very soon.